so I've just turned the machine off because it's so loud that you'll be able to hear me just, but you don't want to hear that noise behind me when I'm trying to talk to you. It's so bad. So I'm going to show you that hat in a second because I've paused the machine, and yeah, things are working. We figured out what we were doing wrong with the laser engraver, so that's going a lot smoothly now, and hopefully I'll have this mushroom hat ready to show you guys next time, because at the moment I'm doing the practice hat. Let me show you. Oh, actually look, it actually doesn't look that bad anymore. I stupidly put my hand in there to move the machine a little bit because it was slightly squint and it had printed on a hat wrong, or engraved on a hat wrong, and stuck my hand right up against the fan, which obviously spins, and yeah, it bled for like 2 days. It kept like breaking open, and it was really bad. But actually, for just being over a week, it looks pretty good. So it's not bursting open anymore, which is good. Fingers crossed for that. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the mushroom one that we're doing. It's on a pink hat because I have pink hats. Nobody orders pink hats, so I'm using them as tests. So let me show you that. Okay, here we go. Look at that. I think that is looking really, really good, actually. It looks quite cute on pink. I'm not a massive pink fan, but Olivia is, so she might get this hat because it's worked out pretty good. But yeah, working well. Here's the dreaded fan. I'll show you. Look at how I hurt my finger. Honestly, I would like to say that I was having a stupid moment, but I have many of those. So that hurts. So there you have it. That hat is gonna look awesome when it's finished. So we've done, you can actually see them in the background, the snake ones are done, they're ready to rock and roll. This one I think is going to be done, and it's going to be ready to rock and roll, so I can print them out in different colours for the shop. Next up will be flowers. I might have to shimmy around my design a little bit, but I've got the template now, so that's nice and easy. And yeah, I want to draw some mushrooms today. I want to make time for that and take some photos. Olivia has kindly offered to help, and she's going to take some footage and some photos for me. I will show you them at the end, but yeah, let's get some stuff done. Okay, so there you have it. We've got some mushrooms. Thank you, Olivia, for taking footage. And also, thank you, Amy and Terry, who are now our 2 members of this channel, which is really cool. I can't believe you guys are coming along and being members. It's awesome. It makes me very happy. So, if you guys are interested in learning how to hand burn hats, I obviously have ebooks that you guys can download. They're also at a discounted price if you buy a bundle. And as always, thank you for coming and hanging out. If you'd like to subscribe, please do so, but I'm not forcing you. And I will see you next time.